Hi again everyone, Adrian here with the version 1.3 update for the Viofo A229 Pro and Plus. So this adds the 4K 21:9 resolution to the front camera and 2K 21:9 for the rear camera. So HDR is turned on here and we're going to see how this performs with the new 21:9 resolution. And yeah, a few more things added in this update, along with the usual bug fixes, but there's now HDR settings for the rear camera and also a plethora of options for the new Viofo BTR200 Bluetooth wireless remote control.